Welcome. In this video, I will tell you what to do if your Anbernic RG556 is overheating while charging. First of all, check for any background application causing high power consumption. You can check for them in settings, battery, swipe down to power intensive apps and check if there are any applications in this menu that might be causing your battery to overheat. And if there are any, then stop their background activity in the same menu. And also I highly recommend using the original charging cable and charging adapter, and also charge your device in cool, well-ventilated area, and try not to overuse it while charging it, because this might also cause overheating of your device. You may also want to swipe down the control center and switch the CPU high mode to auto mode, and also enable the fan on your device, setting the cool mode on and letting your device rest for a brief moment before you start using it again. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.